May I now request the Honorable Sports and Transport Minister Shri Madan Mitra to say a few words, and obviously after that we will declare the opening of the meet. Sir, a few words from your side will definitely enlighten us. May I request Shri Madan Mitra, the Honorable Sports and Transport Minister, to say a few words.
Thank you. Thank you everybody. Welcome all the participants. And I welcome all of you to the very glamorous and sweet city of Siliguri in the district of Darjeeling. Mr. Rudranath Bhattacharya, he is the chairman of Siliguri Jalpaiguri Development Authority, MLA. Honorable Member Assembly, Mr. Shankar Malakar. The General Secretary, Bengal Olympic, Mr. Kamalesh Chatterjee. The Chairman of the Organizing Committee, Mr. Nantu Pal. Mr. Naresh Kumar is the Assistant Director, Sai. Madan Bhattacharya, Jatan Shaha, Mr. Ajit Agarwal, and a lot of officials who have come from Delhi. Not only that, Mr. Gauranga Banerjee, he is the Vice Chairman of West Bengal Sports Council. Mr. Adrinil Mukherjee from Kolkata, and all of you. I can find a lot of people, they are sitting just beside this dais. To be very specific, I want to tell you that here all of us, we have assembled to see, to perform, to watch, to make records in a national championship of Kho-Kho and Kabaddi. But my dear friends, young girls and boys, as a sports minister of Bengal, I have not come here to see the performance for your national championship. I have come here that from this tournament we'll be able to fetch some very good international players from the country of India, and I have personally come just with this attitude, because I know, and you will be very happy to know, there was some communication gap in Kabaddi associations, but under the aegis of All India Kabaddi Association, it is now over in Bengal, and everybody is united under the aegis of Bengal Olympic. As a sports minister, I will just request all the coaches, managers who have come from different parts of our country, that should you feel any problem in regard to anything, you can directly get in touch with me. I am always available there, but please ensure that all sort of hospitality is being rendered to you from the state of West Bengal on behalf of the organizers of this Paika tournament. I think you are enjoying this beautiful scenario, and the most prominent hills, which is known as the Queen of Hills, the Darjeeling, is very near to this place, and I will request Nantu Pal, the organizer, that on behalf of all the young girls and boys, I am requesting the organizing committee, just after the completion of the tournament, you arrange some buses and take all the participants to watch, to see what is Darjeeling mountain let them, all of them, go to Darjeeling. In Calcutta, we tried to do like this. Let them have a scope to see West Bengal within a very short span of time. I think you will enjoy the days. And with these words, before concluding my speech, on behalf of Government of West Bengal, on behalf of our most beloved Chief Minister, Ms. Mamata Banerjee, I will also like to request all the participants, along with all other coaches, managers, to see the North Bengal Festival, which is going to be inaugurated tomorrow and which will be an unprecedented one ever held in the history of Siliguri or any part of North Bengal under the aegis of Government of West Bengal. You will enjoy this festival, North Bengal Festival, and in 19 places, different programs will be taken. So before I conclude, I welcome all of you to enjoy the North Bengal Festival also from tomorrow. Thank you, girls, boys. Now, as a sports minister, I declare 4th National Kho-Kho and Kabaddi Championship 2012 open. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words steeped in inspiration. The lighting of the flame will be done. The balloons have started their upward journey to the sky to declare that we are here to set the field ablaze. The inaugural song also will be sung simultaneously.